Heads up, Power BI users. Metric sets are being deprecated. Here's what you need to know. Key dates. The creation of new metric sets will stop on October 25th, 2025, and full retirement follows on November 15th, 2025, when metric sets will no longer be accessible in Power BI service or desktop. What to do next? Use your existing datasets and measures. Since metric sets are built from measures in your dataset, you can continue to use those measures directly in your reports and dashboards. Adopt certified or shared datasets. Centralize your business metrics by using certified or shared datasets as your trusted source of data. Switch to Power BI scorecards. Power BI scorecards remain an excellent way to track key metrics, monitor goals, and visualize performance trends over time. Watch for new metrics capabilities. Microsoft is introducing enhanced experiences like Copilot-powered artifact discovery to make it even easier to locate and work with your data in Power BI. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.